Meet me in the Noor Kids treehouse.
Oh my goodness!
Are we in a treehouse? Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and I even see.
And our Ramadan is super califragilistically awesome.
Yes!
Every single night at 6:30, me and my sisters watch Noor Kids.
I am 7 years old.
When I was 7 years old,
I am 7 years old.
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Walking down the aisle and seeing this
Black pearl pirate. Felt like
Sunny, all right, your shot. You got this.
Mean Snows never fails. Yes, mean. Mom cooked lasagna.
Allahu Akbar, lasagna! My guy has a topi. Hassan.
Yeah, I put a topi on.
The Night of Power?
Yes! Like one night. It is equal 28,000 days.
And the videos help me because they play and loop in my brain and they help me learn much more about our beautiful religion. Thank you so much, Noor Kids.
And through each episode has brought me closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I learned more about the Quran.
Thank you guys for the Noor Kids.
Zakat can also mean to grow.
Thank you, Noor Kids, for the wonderful way you are teaching our Muslim children how to be good Muslims.
Can you say, لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ?
Ya Allah, thank you for blessing me with my parents.
They love doing this. Thank you so much. This is the best gift a parent could have.
The Ramadan Camp showed me how to be a better Muslim.
And my favorite part of the Ramadan Camp was connecting with all the other Muslims from across the world.
I'm Freya from Pennsylvania.
Canberra, Australia.
Sri Lanka.
In Auckland, New Zealand.
I also love how you bring on successful Muslims from all walks of life, which makes me really happy and fills me with the determination to succeed like them.
You know, as Muslims, we have a book that guides us.
The fact that we have to pray 5 times a day, we're fasting. I took all of those things, and when I played basketball, I thought about that.
And at some point, this has to become your connection to Islam. It can't be your parents' connection to Islam anymore. At some point, you have to be the one that wants to pray. You have to be the one that wants to learn more about the Prophet ﷺ, to read more Quran.
And I try to inspire and really pick people up with my comedy, really shed light on how warm and loving we are, but we are quirky. When I got a scholarship, I got really excited. I was like, Baba, I got a scholarship. He's like, oh, you're so great. God is greater. Allahu Akbar. And then he just hung up the phone in my face.
We've got a bunch of people. Can you put us to work? Like, oh, it's happening. Oh, there's 2 Kaabas. There's a Kaaba that's already been made. Which direction are people going to be praying in?
And I even learned that I have to manage my time.
Do my homework and try to learn as much as I can, or do I just waste a lot of time on screen time?
Camp helps me because I get to listen to all these awesome books.
Now today I am going to be deciding to read a book on one of our topics, but before we do, we're going to spin the wheel.
We landed on trust, but actually we're going to be talking about family.
But before I read it, I need every one of you to say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Even you, Fatima. I see you.
1, 2, 3. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
You over there, I didn't see you.
Fatima's mom in the kitchen. Muhammad, your mom? Who's making pakoras? Making baklava. 2, 3. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. That was much better.
The program helped me by teaching me my religion and how to use it.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our creator, promises justice for every atom. That's every little bit. What does it mean to not strain your eyes in longing?
Meaning, don't focus on the things they have and you don't.
Like in this story, Yusra got very special needs, and Asad is older, so he gets different things.
I feel really happy that I joined this year.
It's taught me how to be a better Muslim and can connected me more to Islam.
It's Nur Kids teach me how to become a better Muslim, how to make du'as for Allah. It's the best way for me to spend my time.
It makes Islam fun and it's awesome, so thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amin Asir. I'm the author of Nur Kids.
Have you drank anything today?
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So what did you have?
Water.
I'm sorry, what?
Water.
Did you say water?
Water.
Yeah, it's the water. Stop drinking water. You're turning into an animal.
And here's some facts you should know about me.
Minnesota is the best state.
Have you been to Wisconsin?
I'm trying to go to Jannah, not Jahannam, is all I'm trying to say.
We will see many football games where the Minnesota Vikings defeat the New Orleans Saints.
Maybe in your section of Jannah.
Dad, can you please stop watching the Cowboys beating the Vikings? I want you to tell my friends at Nur Kids a dad joke.
When do Muslims eat?
When do Muslims eat? When?
Iftar, the fast.
Don't try to eat bread before iftar time or I'm gonna come and get you.
Why does Ramadan go by so quickly? Because we fast.
And right as I was about to take a bite, my brother runs in and he's like,
Don't eat it.
oh wow, that was really good.
Did you enjoy fasting?
Well, I didn't enjoy the thirst, but I enjoyed the rewards.
Mario, it's Friday night fun night.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Your body has a right upon you.
Allahu Akbar, la ilaha Canada. How did the Americans lose?
Toronto is better than Minnesota, like 1,000 times better.
I don't know if you guys are ready for this. We've got some cinnamon toast crunch. Yes. Okay, Sheikh Omar gets this one.
Is that how this works? You send it to me in the mail? I need that for suhoor.
Suhoor. Yes, suhoor. Very good. All right.
My Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord, thank you for Amin.
Around the world, there are boys and girls who are going to sleep tonight without a mom or a dad. We ask you, Ya Allah, to please take care of them and allow us to be among those who take care of orphans.
Thank you for Nur Kids and the Ramadan Camp.
Send your blessings, the best of blessings. Send those blessings on our holy prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be on him. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for joining us. Inshallah, we will see you in the treehouse soon.